Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your skills with Codecademy, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Codecademy website at www.codecademy.com. Create an account if you don't have one yet, or log in if you already do. Once logged in, explore the home page to familiarize yourself with the available courses and subjects. Use the search bar to quickly find a specific skill or topic you want to learn. Select a course that aligns with your goals, such as web development, data science, or programming languages. Click on the course title to view an overview of the curriculum and prerequisites. Read through the course descriptions to understand what you will learn and how it can benefit your skill set. If you're satisfied, click the Start button to begin your learning journey. Follow the interactive lessons, which combine video tutorials and hands-on coding exercises. Take your time with each exercise, ensuring you grasp the material before moving on. Make use of the quizzes and assessments provided to test your knowledge along the way. Engage with the community forums to ask questions and share insights with other learners. Consider setting daily or weekly goals to maintain a steady learning pace. Explore Codecademy's pro features if you want access to additional resources, such as real-world projects or mentorship. Utilize the learning paths to navigate through a series of courses, providing a comprehensive understanding of a particular field. Take notes on key concepts and practice regularly to reinforce your learning. Once you complete a course, celebrate your progress and consider sharing your achievements on your portfolio or LinkedIn profile. Continue to explore new courses to expand your skill set and stay updated with industry trends. Remember, consistent practice and engagement with the material will lead to the best results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.